Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. It's Monday morning. I have some errands to run and I just picked up Starbucks, like a nice little treat for a good start of the day. My Starbucks here is not perfect, but today there was my favorite barista, so she made an amazing coffee. I also got my favorite kale and mushroom egg bites. I had to run a couple of errands. I went to the bank. I also filled up my tank. There is something so satisfying when I fill up my tank, because there's nothing worse than driving and you realize you're running low on gas. But yeah, so all that is done and I am at Shops at Merrick Park. I came here to check out Lululemon and Alo Yoga. I need to look for some tops. I figured that I have a lot of like little crop tops, like sports bras. I'm also practicing a lot more golf. I figured that I need like proper little t-shirts or maybe like tanks, but something that's not really cropped, because that's not really appropriate to wear to a golf course. Even if you go to the driving range, some clubs, some places, they don't really allow tank tops, crop tops, which is totally acceptable. Let's do this little grocery haul. So I normally buy just for a couple of days ahead. Like, I don't really stock up on stuff because I tried to do that in the past, but I usually like change my mind and we don't really eat everything up. So it's a little bit more wasteful for me, and also a grocery store is really close to our place, so I don't have to do that. Like, I can just go day by day. So I got some chicken breast for tonight. I think I'm gonna make my lemon chicken. So I think I'm gonna do that tonight, probably with rice or sweet potatoes. Then we have some mini bries. I love these because sometimes for like one person or two people, it's so hard to buy cheese and meat as well. But I think cheese specifically, because like I don't really eat that much of it. Like, I love cheese, but it's hard for me to like finish a whole block of like brie or cheddar or whatever. And I find that sometimes it goes to waste. So I know this is more wasteful in terms of packaging, but if you're one person or two people, it's actually quite convenient because you have like small little individual packets of brie cheese. Then I picked up some butter. I love salted butter, so I got this one. Then some yogurt, my favorite Chobani Greek yogurt, and this one is low fat. The purple one is low fat, and I don't really find this everywhere, only at Winn-Dixie. So yeah, I always get one when I go there. I love my oat milk in the coffee, but I saw this pumpkin spice creamer and I could not resist. Even though we are not even close to like fall mood here, but I'm just ready for like fall coziness. So I picked up some pumpkin spice creamer. What else? English cucumber. I always have one of these. Some peppers, organic cilantro, some organic mint. I like to make fresh mint tea. Like, I just boil some water and put some fresh mint, and it's delicious. Then some cauliflower. I love cauliflower in the oven, like roasted cauliflower. It tastes so good, and it's like the best substitute for meat for me. I know it has nothing to do with meat. It doesn't taste like meat or anything, but somehow like very well seasoned roasted cauliflower in the oven, it's so good and yummy with some hummus and pita bread. Oh, love that. Some romaine hearts, always handy. Some snacks, my favorite pretzel crisps, Purely Elizabeth granola. This one is so good and dangerous because I think it's a little too sweet, but I love it, so I picked it up. It's cookie granola, and I don't know, I'm mindful how much I eat of it because it's so good. It tastes literally like cookies. Then some Fever Tree pink grapefruit sparkling like soda. Love anything from Fever Tree. Love their sodas. They use natural flavors and they're usually not super sweet. That's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna put everything away, especially the meats, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. A quick little update. Today I have not vlogged whatsoever. I went and I got my nails done, back to like neutral pinky shorter nails. I'm so happy with it. Like, I love when my nails are a little bit shorter. And I also went to my physio, my physical therapy. It was so hard because I missed the whole past week. It was really hard, but I am very happy I went. Tomorrow I have another golf lesson. I am so excited for that. But yeah, anyways, I was saying, I don't know what I was saying. I'm kind of like feeling chatty, so you guys are keeping me company. Before I start making dinner, I put away some dishes, and I also had very fun delivery that I am gonna show you guys tomorrow because I want to wash my hair. I want to try pieces that I got. Well, I have two clothing items, and I'm sorry, that was Iago coughing. He's okay. He's just like a cat. Sometimes they cough. But yeah, I have two clothing items and two pairs of shoes, and super exciting, a little handbag that I want to show you guys. Are you okay, Iago? Where was I? Yeah, I have an exciting package to open with you guys tomorrow. I am gonna keep it there for tomorrow because, as I said, I wanna like wash my hair. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the morning. We're gonna watch some Survivor, and we're back on watching Survivor. We kind of like binged, I don't know, like 10 seasons, like one after another, and then we really got like fed up with it. Also, I feel like each new season it became a little more staged and a lot less organic, in my opinion. It was so painfully obvious like how certain challenges were kind of like set up in a way to favor certain players, and how like I don't feel that the production is necessarily actually staging things and like faking stuff, but I do think they set up things the way they want them to play out. Like I think they can absolutely orchestrate like how the season is gonna go, and I feel that probably they follow and they see like which characters are going to be interesting, which stories they can follow, like storylines and like arches, like development of characters. And also once you figure out how they are editing players, you can kind of like already know who are going to be like finalists and who are going to be players that are going to be like important. And once you know it, I feel like it lost a little bit like the spark for me. I feel when I started watching, I was a lot more innocent, and also the production was a lot less obvious. So yeah, it was a lot better. Like it was more organic. Now I can already tell, like even after like 2 episodes, 3 episodes, I know like, okay, this is gonna be like one of the important players because they keep editing them, they keep talking about their like struggles and like what they want to overcome and like what they brought in from like the real world, like the baggage or whatever. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna watch the rest of this season. What else? Nothing else. I am literally rambling for 10 minutes. I should probably cut myself off, but sometimes this just happens and I'm in the mood. So I figured why not to have like a little chit chat. Now I wanted to show you a couple of pieces that I picked up, like a little mini luxury haul. It's kind of like a designer haul that I did not do in such a long time, and I wanted to do this together with you guys. I already started trying out the pieces. I only have 2 dresses that I ordered, and I placed an order on Forward, and I also have a little handbag that I got from Saks Fifth Avenue because that was like the best price that I found. I got this cutie from Norma Kamali. I am like very much into Norma Kamali dresses at the moment. They're like so flattering. I don't know what's up with this fabric, the ruching. It's just like so simple and very streamlined, but very like flattering. I love the chocolate brown color. I guess you can see it better like this. So I really like it. I mean, it's very pretty. I'm just not sure if it's a little too short. Maybe for like the summer, if you're on a boat and it's kind of like almost like a swimsuit, you just put this on. You guys, I went from like Pretty Woman and Lady of the Night to a Mourning Widow or something, but I love this dress. It's like a knit maxi dress with this beautiful little like ruffle at the bottom, kind of like a mermaid bottom, and I just think this is so pretty, so easy to style. It's like a nice knit fabric, so it's not too thick and not too thin. This one is perfect for that like transitional weather. Yeah, I love this dress. Definitely keeping this one. I think it will look cute also with like a nice belt, but even like this. I think it's just so pretty, and I love this length of the dress because I can wear flats and still feel like put together even if I wear like my orans or something. Okay, let's try them on with the first pair of shoes that I wanted to show you guys. So I got these beauties. I wanted a pair of like white sandals with like a nice tall heel, and I just fell in love with this like pearl detail. I just love a good pair of footwear that looks almost like jewelry, so the fact that this is like all pearled, I love them. Let's try them on with the dress because I think this would be very pretty together. How stunning are they? Literally like jewelry for your feet. They're quite comfortable as well, I guess because of the straps, like how they go around the foot. They're pretty comfy for such like a high heel. Yeah, stunning. So happy with this pair. Then I picked up another pair of sandals. I cannot wait to try these on as well. They're also satin. These are black, and I love this toe box. Square toes have taken over the shoe world lately, but I am not like a huge fan. So I really like that they played on that trend, but it's still more tapered and like elongating. So yeah, I'm very excited to try these on. Okay, this is very frightening. They're so tall, and also I'm not sure about the angle of the heel. I am not really sure this is going to be comfortable. They don't really look comfortable. They are so pretty though. All right, exactly what I thought. They are feeling just a lot more steep than the white pair. Like, I think it's just the way the heel is shaped, and like there's a lot more arch to the foot, so I am just not sure about them. Also, another thing that I want to show you guys, the right foot. So this foot is how the sandals should go. So this is how like the strap should go around the ankle, and this is how I put it because this is my preferred way of like tying a sandal. Can you even tell like right away that this looks like more elongating than this one? This just makes the foot like shorter, like everything looks shorter because a lot of those horizontal lines going across the foot. So I think I'm going to return these. And I remember they had also the tribs, just the mule. So I am probably just going to exchange these, unfortunately. If you have like very slim legs, I think this would look stunning on you. They do look gorgeous. Like, it's very hard for me to say no, but I think I'm going to have to say no to these. And I saved the cutest and most exciting for the last. And we have my first Alaya handbag. I only have belts from Alaya, and this bag has been around for a while, but I just got into it recently because I have been browsing and looking for a mini, like nano, super small bag that I would bring with me, like going out in the evening or at daytime, but just like when I'm going out, like going for dinner, lunch, something like that, I don't want to have like a big bag. Something that's a little more dainty and goes well with like dresses. It's always hard for me to style outfits when I want to switch up metals and I want to wear like more silver or whatever, different tones of metals, and I find it very hard to switch up like bags and stuff when they have a lot of hardware. So I really wanted something with minimal hardware, no hardware whatsoever on this one. Well, it has little feet, but they're black, like dark gunmetal color, so they're not even visible. But yeah, that's what I was looking for, and I just fell in love with this design. I also loved how tiny this bag is, but it's like pretty much just an open space, kind of like a little basket, like a bucket. And I thought that was so neat and convenient for me because I do like to bring my camera with me, and I find that I don't bring it as often as I would because it doesn't fit in a lot of my bags. So I really wanted like a small, super dainty handbag that's also like roomy, and I can put my phone and my camera together inside. And I think this is going to be perfect. I did not try it yet, but now that I look at the camera next to the bag, I think this is just perfect. It's just exactly what I needed, and I love it so much. I knew I was gonna love it because I do have Alaya belts and I love them. I guess because like waist, more like corset type of belts are no longer a thing, so they're just waiting for resurrection in my wardrobe. But yeah, I knew I was gonna love this because I love how it looks almost like lace. I would love to have this bag in pink color. I think it also comes in black
which I might look into because we'll see how much I wear this one and then I'll decide if I want to get another color. But I just think it's so cute. It comes with like a little strap, I think, and yeah, you can attach the strap here on the inside. I think I'm just going to carry it like so because it's just so adorable, and I was a little bit skeptical if it's going to be too small based on the measurements, but I think it's actually perfect because there is a larger size, like slightly larger, I think 20, which is probably like 20-inch, and this one is 16, but I think this one is just so cute because it is so small. We'll see, like I'm going to carry this one for a while and then we'll see, maybe I get like the 20 in black, or I really think I want this one in black. We'll see again how much I wear this one, but I'm really happy. I think that was such a cute little purchase. We'll see how it wears. I'll update you guys on that. And now that we're here, I also wanted to mention my new earrings that I got from my mom. So I got this when I was in Europe. It was a gift and I'm obsessed. As you can tell, I like pearls at the moment, and these are just like so dainty and pretty, and the pearls are not like too bold, but they're still there, and I feel like they are just so pretty. I don't know, is it just the camera or whatever it is, but I just love them so much, and I hope you can see them better now, but they're just so pretty. Love them. And I kept the original box and everything because I traveled with them, so I'm going to check and see if I can find them and link them for you guys. Like I'll see who carries this brand, but I just love them. How beautiful. Am I like getting into pearls? Seriously, like do I need more pearls? I had no idea how much I'm going to love this bag. It's just so cute and perfect.